Lesson 2. What are SLAs? SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. It's an IT industry known term used to refer to key metrics that define if an operational team, such as the service desk, is meeting agreed with expectation. There are different types of SLAs that exist for the service desk. Let's focus on some of those now. One SLA that exists is called call answer. The definition of the call answer SLA is that for each month, the service desk must answer at least X% of calls within X seconds. An example of this is that 80% of calls must be answered within 20 seconds. If the service desk achieves or exceeds this metric for the month, the SLA is green. Conversely, the SLA is red if the service desk fails to meet this metric. This type of SLA assures that a service desk analyst will be available to answer a user's call within 20 seconds. Sure, there may be calls that take a little longer, but most calls are answered quickly, and most clients are comfortable with this type of approach, hence its popularity. Companies with larger budgets that would like heightened availability can request call answer SLAs as high as 99% within a set number of seconds. Another key SLA that is reported on monthly is ticket resolution time. Typically, resolution time is the amount of time that exists between when the customer first opens a ticket and when that ticket is then resolved. 4 different priorities can exist for a ticket: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each ticket priority will have its own defined SLA, but don't worry, as a service desk analyst, it's rare that you'll be handling anything other than a priority 3 or priority 4. A common example of a priority 4 ticket resolution SLA is 5 business days. Similarly, a priority 3 ticket may have a heightened SLA, such as 2 business days. Usually, priority 2 and priority 1 tickets are handled by a separate team due to the business critical nature of those types of tickets. They often come attached with very tight resolution SLAs, ranging anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. Having a separate team ensures adequate management and oversight is in place to ensure IT service providers meet those agreed client expectations. Lastly, another common SLA for the service desk is a term called FCR. It stands for First Call Resolution, sometimes referred to as First Contact Resolution. It is a metric used to measure the percentage of customer inquiries or tickets resolved on the first call versus those that need to be logged for further investigation. An example of how this works: say service desk received 100 calls for the month, and 65 of those calls the service desk were able to resolve on that same call. This would mean that the FCR percentage for the month would be 65%. An industry average for FCR sits anywhere in the range of 60 to 70%. If you find yourself performing higher than this, it's usually a good sign that you're in a high-performing team and you may be ready for a new challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next class.